berry smoothie from start to finish. You can pause the video here to write down or take a snapshot of all of the ingredients. I'm using a Black & Decker blender with quiet technology. Add 1.5 cups of unsweetened almond or coconut milk. Add 1/2 cup of Greek non-fat plain yogurt. Add a handful of spinach or lettuce. One sliced apple. Half a banana. 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries. 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. The Ceylon version of cinnamon is milder and more pure. Some chia seeds. One tablespoon of maple syrup for some added sweetness. And add 4 or 5 ice cubes. Push the power button on and then the smoothie button. This will run for about 30 seconds. If the ingredients are not blending, just turn off the power and give the glass jar a few shakes. I press the smoothie button again to help ensure that everything is blended well. To clean up, all you have to do is rinse out the glass jar. Fill it up about halfway with warm water. Add a drop of dish soap. Blend on the medium speed of 2 for about 10 to 20 seconds. Rinse again to get rid of any soap residue. Let air dry. And that's a berry smoothie from start to finish.